Now, I want to stop the SAP system instances by using SAP Microsoft Management Console. Instances we want to stop. Stop means reverse process. Reverse process means what is reverse process? When starting time, this is first I start SCS instance, after I start primary application server instance. Now reverse process. So here I don't have additional application server instance. Suppose you have additional application server instance is there. Okay, suppose you have additional application server instance is there, means first you want to start that one. You don't have additional application server instance is there. First you want to start the primary application server instance as per rule. Stop. Here database is not HANA database. Database, my database is MS SQL server. My database is MS SQL server. That's why here I no need to stop the database separately. Why means my database and primary application server instance is available in single system. That's why you no need to stop the database separately. You stop primary application server instance, database will be stopped. After stopping primary application server instance, we want to stop the SCS instance. Just reverse order. So that means now suppose here additional application server instance is there. First we stop the additional application server instance, next primary application server instance, next SCS instance. Now here in my system, I don't have additional application server instance. That means I no need to stop that additional application server instance. Directly, I want to stop the primary application server instance first. After stopping primary application server instance, I want to stop the SCS instance as per rule. So here, manage my SAP Microsoft Management Console. This is primary application server instance. Right click, stop. Here hard shutdown is there, soft shutdown is there. What is the differences between the hard shutdown and soft shutdown? Here hard shutdown, clearly definition is there. Immediately I stop the instance. So in primary application server instance, users login, they're doing their work. On that time, you stop SAP system. On that time, you selected hard shutdown means what will be happen is users login, they're doing important work also. System will be stopped immediately. మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే అక్కడ యూజర్స్ లాగిన్ లో ఉండి వాళ్ళు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు ఆ టైంలో మీరు హార్డ్ షట్ డౌన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని స్టాప్ చేస్తే యూజర్స్ లాగిన్ ఉన్నా ఇమీడియట్ గా సిస్టమ్ ని స్టాప్ చేసేస్తుంది. When you select hard shutdown, users login and doing their work also. When you select hard shutdown, what will be happen means immediately they stop the SAP system. That is the meaning of hard shutdown. Now soft shutdown. When you select soft shutdown means they select time. When you select soft, they set time, particular time. For example, now 11:30 is that time. I set as 12 or 1 o'clock like that I set time. On that time, until 1 o'clock, users login, they do their work. When I select soft with particular time means what will be happen means, so suppose I set as 12 o'clock. Until 12 o'clock, users login and do their work. But when here I selected soft and I set as time, on that time onwards, new users login is not possible in this system. ఎప్పుడైతే నేను అక్కడ సాఫ్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని టైం సెట్ చేశానో న్యూ యూజర్స్ ఇంక ఆ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ లోకి లాగిన్ అనేది కుదరదు. న్యూ యూజర్స్ లాగిన్ ఇస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఇన్ దట్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్. when I select soft and I set as time, on that time onwards, new users login is not possible in that instance. Okay. And one more important point. who are users, suppose 5 users login in that system, they simply just open screens only. They are not doing important work, means immediately soft shutdown, turn as hard shutdown, and immediately stop the section. Okay, I logged in the system. Just what I done, I opened 5 screens. I logged in the SAP system, I opened 5 screens, but I'm not doing important work. Just I open 5 screens, I leave the system. What will be happen? They check that user is doing important work or not. That user just open the screen only. They did not doing any important work, means what will be do means that soft shutdown changed as turn as hard shutdown and immediately stop the system. Suppose I open 5 screens, I'm doing work. I did not leave. I'm doing work on that time until that time 12 o'clock. They did not stop the system. When 12 o'clock reach, the soft shutdown turn as hard shutdown and immediately stop the system. That means within that time, who are doing their any important work, they reschedule like that they do, and immediately they leave the system. That is the one. So here I selected hard shutdown and click OK. So it is green to yellow, yellow to gray. SCS instance will be started fastly. Primary application server instance take time to start. Like that, primary application server instance will stop, take time. SCS instance will stop fastly. Yellow. Here, IGS watchdog is stopped. Here you saw ICM is stopped. Java server is stopped. ICM is running. Here you saw this one also will be stopped. It is in stopped. Why? AS Java only want to stop this ICM and Java server. After AS Java stopping everything, finally AS Java will be stopped. Same when you stopping time also, SAP start a survey, stop the IGS watchdog and AS Java. When SAP start a survey, stop the IGS watchdog and AS Java, IGS watchdog will be stopped first. AS Java, what they do? AS Java want to stop the ICM and Java server. In that, Java server will be stopped first. After Java server stop, ICM also will be stopped. After ICM, Java server will be stopped. Finally, AS Java will be stopped. Why? AS Java only want to stop the ICM and Java server. Here, green to yellow. Yellow means stopping. Yellow to gray. Gray means stop. Okay, now primary application server instance is stopped. Now we want to stop the SCS instance. Right click the SCS instance and click stop. Here you saw off started and click OK. Here also SAP start as survey in SCS instance kernel directory, SAP start as survey is there, no? That SAP start as survey only stop this message server, MQ server, gateway, web dispatcher. Same green to yellow, yellow to gray. Here total SAP system is in stop condition and click close. When you close SAP Microsoft Management Console, always you get this pop-up. They asking save console settings to SAP MMC. Here nothing to save. Always when you get this pop-up, simply you click no only, click no. And one more point, before stopping in company, before stopping the SAP system, you want to send a message. After I show you, right now I'm not showing how to send a message, but in company, when you're stopping the SAP system time, you want to send a message and intimate this server is going to stop at particular time due to this activity, like that you want to intimate. On that time you want to stop. So when users log into the system, they got that pop-up. First time when you log in today, I enter into the office. Now I open my company server. I log in into the company server. When I log in, I got that message pop-up. Okay, so this is the way you want to stop the SAP system instances by using SAP Microsoft Management Console.